since my skin is so sensitive, I feel like this routine, I take that back, everybody can do this routine. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe because the uploads are going to be coming.
Junior want to not be on my I can't really see what did I miss. Ex-strippers.
I like to wash my face with Roche Posay. I've grown to love them. After we wash our face with the Roche Posay, we're gonna go in with my favorite. Like, this is my favorite acne wash of all time. PanOxyl. So you're gonna start with a damp face from washing your face with the Roche Posay. I'm gonna go in with about this much. The key to this one is just letting it dry a little bit and letting it soak into your pores so that benzoyl peroxide can get in there and get rid of any breakouts that are about to come or are already there. And when I tell y'all, I just absolutely love this. Like, I never skip this, never skip this. I do this every morning. After a good rinse with the PanOxyl, we're gonna dry our face with a paper towel. I like to go in with my Clindamycin Phosphate and Benzoyl Peroxide gel. I did get this from my dermatologist. I don't have any complaints. After I let my benzoyl peroxide gel dry, I like to go in with my favorite moisturizer and sunscreen. And when I tell you I'm absolutely obsessed with my sunscreen right now, if you're watching this right now and you don't have a favorite sunscreen, I'm upset. I'm upset. This is my absolute favorite sunscreen right now. It's the Aveeno Calm and Restore Daily Moisturizer Sunscreen. It's a mineral sunscreen. It does leave a cast, but I don't care. I care more about my skin than the cast. And when you're wearing sunscreen, pick your poison. I don't care about the cast because I overly moisturize, so you're not gonna see it anyway. Or I'm in the house, or I'm gonna put on makeup and nobody's gonna see it anyway. And under your makeup, I love to be moisturized. So there you have it. I don't care about the cast. Next question. So again, I use this, and then I just switched up my routine. I did have a dark spot moisturizer that I did add in with this, and I need to re-up, so I don't have it anymore. But it was the Advanced Clinicals dark spot cream, and it literally feels like a dream. It almost feels like a primer. I do not have anymore, but next video I'm gonna show y'all. This is probably my 20th bottle. This is the Advanced Clinicals Dark Spot Cream. It has vitamin C, and let me say this right now, I'm not a vitamin C girly. I just think that it's too strong for my liking. Other people love it. It does wonders on their skin. This is the exception. It has vitamin C. It has licorice and jojoba oil. This formula right here, chef's kiss. It's gentle and gets the job done. When I tell you, using this consistently, that's another video for another day. I'm gonna get into my skincare with y'all and how I got to this level of being in front of the camera with no makeup on, because whoo, baby, this time last year, that's another, we're gonna get into. So since I don't have dark spot cream that I usually use. I switched it up a little bit. I'm going to be using my hyaluronic acid that I absolutely adore. So, you know, I use about that much. And I'll make this concoction with my sunscreen. It's about that much. Make sure you get all on that neck. Cause that neck, that's what's gonna age first. Just saying, keep that neck straight. So yes, it looks scary now. It looks even crazier on the camera, but we're gonna be good, I promise. So after I'm done rubbing in my sunscreen and my moisturizer, I do like to go in with a little bit of turmeric oil just to kind of get rid of the cast a little bit. I don't really need too much today because I am going to follow it up with makeup, so just a little bit just to seal everything in.